Hey everybody, it's Untitled Tattoos. I'm going to show you how to make red velvet ice cream. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so we'll start by placing 1 cup of sugar into a saucepan. And we'll top that up with 2 cups of thickened cream. Now I'm using full fat, don't go using low fat or skim or anything. Next I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of buttermilk, along with 3/4 of a cup of full cream milk. Next I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. Now make sure you use a good quality one. Next I'll add in 250 grams of softened cream cheese. So if you leave it at room temperature, it's much easier to spread. And finally guys, we'll add about 2 tablespoons of red food coloring. Alright guys, so we're going to turn the heat on low. And we just want to carefully stir this all together. And we just want to heat it up. Alright guys, so you basically want to keep heating it up until everything's well dissolved and nice and smooth like this. So we'll go ahead and turn the heat off. Now you want to make sure not to boil this. And we'll just keep on stirring to make sure there's no lumps in there. Okay, so that's looking good. So what we're going to do now is just let this cool down to room temperature. Alright guys, so once your mixture has cooled down, we're going to go to our ice cream maker. Following our manufacturer's instructions, we'll turn the machine on. And we're going to carefully pour our mixture straight in. So it's important not to add this when it's warm, because it just won't work properly. Okay, so all we need to do now is wait probably around 20 to 25 minutes until it's nice and solidified. Alright guys, so I'm just at the 25-minute mark now. As you can see, it's started to solidify and it's come together nicely, and that's what we want. So we're going to go ahead and turn the machine off now, and we're going to transfer this into smaller containers. Alright guys, and there we have it. Look at that beautiful creaminess. So obviously store this in the freezer and you should be able to store it for up to 6 months. I hope you like that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.